Most people think luxury real estate become expensive because of luxury. It doesn't. Luxury become expensive because rich people start competing for the same limited locations. And once that happen, pricing stop following the construction cost. Pricing starts following the scarcity. Right now, one of the biggest wealth transform happening inside NCR real estate is not from affordable housing to the premium housing. It's from old luxury zones to new luxury corridors. And no corridor is attracting more institutional confidence, infrastructure investment, and premium buyers migration than Dwarka Expressway. The question is no longer will Dwarka Expressway grow? That question has already been answered. The real question is which projects are positioned to capture the maximum upside from that growth. And today we break down one of the strongest contender, Shobha Altus, Sector 106, Dwarka Expressway. The biggest misconception in luxury real estate is that luxury is created through amenities, which isn't. Luxury is created through scarcity. The fewer people sharing the same infrastructure, the higher the luxury quotient becomes. Let's look at the actual numbers. Total land parcel is 5.51 acres, total 3 towers, elevation is up to G plus 28 floors. Clubhouse is 46,000 plus square feet and 2 apartments per floor. The last number deserves attention. Most premium projects advertise luxury. Few genuinely create exclusivity. When only 2 apartments share a core, lift waiting time reduces, privacy increases, noise level reduces, resident profile improves, common area congestion reduces, and long-term desirability improves. These are measurable benefits, and measurable benefit creates a premium valuation. This project offers 3 BHK for sizes 2870 to 2958 square feet. For 4 BHK, 3045 to 3340 square feet. And for 5 BHK, 3690 to 3853 square feet. Notice something important. This is not a compact luxury unit. These are large format residents, and large format inventory historically performed better during the luxury market cycle because supply remains limited while demand from the affluent buyers continues to rise. This immediately positions Altus in the upper segment of the Gurugram's luxury spectrum. Not mass luxury, not aspirational luxury, genuine end user driven premium housing. Let's address the question every investor asks. Current pricing, that is 22,000 per square feet approximately. Sophisticated investors don't compare pricing, they compare positioning. The question isn't, is 22,000 expensive today? The question is, will premium inventory in this corridor be available at 22,000 after 5 years of infrastructure maturity? That is the real question. Because pricing is determined by the 4 factors: replacement cost, demand growth, supply scarcity, and brand premium. And Altus scores strongly on all 4 of these. You are paying for Shobha execution quality, large format residence, low density planning, premium buyer ecosystem, Dwarka Expressway exposure, and future corridor maturity. The market really discounts future scarcity. It rewards the scarcity. Capital appreciation is never random. It is driven by identifiable catalyst. And Altus benefits from 3 powerful appreciation engines. Engine 1, Dwarka Expressway re-rating. Buyers can physically experience the connectivity. Commercial activity increases, end user demand accelerates. Banks become more aggressive, luxury brands launch more projects, and all of this supports higher benchmark pricing. Dwarka Expressway is entering exactly at that stage. Engine 2, Delhi wealth migration. This is one of the most underrated trends. A growing number of affluent Delhi buyers are shifting capital towards premium Gurugram developments. Why? Because modern inventory in Delhi remains limited. New age luxury products are concentrated in Gurugram. Home sizes are larger, planning is superior, amenities are stronger. which creates a sustained buyer's pool for the premium project like Altus. And sustained demand creates appreciation. And engine 3, Shobha liquidity premium. Luxury buyers pay significant premium for the trust because trust reduces risk. And Shobha enjoys one of the strongest brand equities in Indian real estate. For the brand confidence directly impacts resale liquidity, end user demand, premium pricing, and market perceptions. All these creates a stronger luxury long-term exit opportunities. Most luxury investors ignore rental sustainability. This is a mistake because healthy rental demand acts as a downside protection mechanism. Luxury rental yields in Gurugram above 3% are generally considered healthy. Given the location profile and the product positioning, the project has the potential to attract premium tenant category, and premium tenant help preserve the asset quality over time. Let's zoom out and forget the project and study the corridor because project follows market and market do not follow project. The corridor is benefiting from operational Dwarka Expressway, Delhi Gurugram integration, airport accessibility, diplomatic enclave expansion, Yashobhumi impact, metro expansion pipeline, commercial development, corporate leasing activity, premium resident demand, and large infrastructure investments. This is what investors call infrastructure stacking. Multiple growth drivers operating simultaneously, and infrastructure stacking often create the strongest appreciation cycle. Few corridors in NCR currently offers this combination. In luxury real estate, location doesn't matter. Micro location matters because appreciation is rarely created by the project. Appreciation is created by the surrounded ecosystem. And Sector 106 sits at one of the most strategic points on the Dwarka Expressway. Why? Because it captures value from both Delhi and Gurugram simultaneously. On one side, Delhi affluent buyers pool, on the other side, Gurugram expanding corporate economy. This creates a unique demand funnel. The project benefits from direct Dwarka Expressway access, fast connectivity to Delhi, access to NH48, proximity to IGI airport, connectivity to Cyber City, connectivity to Udyog Vihar, future metro expansion, diplomatic enclave influence, and Yashobhumi convention district impact. Very few locations in NCR currently enjoying this level of infrastructure connectivity. And whenever multiple infrastructure networks intersect in one geography, property value typically outperforms broader market averages. Luxury ultimately succeeds or fails based on the daily experience, and this is where Altus performs strongly. Triple height entrance lobby, grand arrival experience, and premium hospitality feel. Luxury begins before you enter your home, and arrival experience matters significantly in ultra luxury housing. Lifestyle infrastructure, 46,000 plus square feet clubhouse, business lounge, cafe, social zone, and entertainment spaces with community areas. This supports a complete luxury ecosystem rather than the isolated amenities. Wellness infrastructure, Infinity Edge swimming pool, wellness facilities, sports amenities, fitness zone, and activity lifestyle programming. Increasingly important for the affluent end users. Smart home features, IGBC inspired design, sustainable planning, high security system with the technology integration. These features improve long-term relevance. Only 2 apartments per core, private lift lobby options, large unit sizes, low density living, and premium resident profile. This may ultimately become the strongest differentiator for the project. The biggest real estate fortunes are rarely created after the corridor becomes famous. They are created while the corridor is still being understood. First comes infrastructure, then comes demand, then comes capital, then comes the pricing reset. Most buyers enters after the reset. Wealth creators enter before it. And today, Dwarka Expressway appears to be standing at the exactly this point. Shobha Altus, Sector 106, Gurugram. This is not an amenity story. This is not a luxury brochure story. This is a strategic positioning story. And strategic positioning is where the biggest wealth is created. Thank you for staying till the end of this video. Also, let us know in the comment section if you need any detailed analysis of any project. Stay tuned.